In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing. As I have said from my last video, somebody sent this to me for free. And if you're interested and if you want to know what's inside, please stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Karla. I would like to thank everyone who have watched my first vlog. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated from my uploads. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing. As I have told you, somebody sent this gift box to me. Her name is Margaret Good, and she wants me to try these products. So please join me to discover what's inside. So guys, join me as I open this box. And these are all Mary Kay products. Maybe some of you are familiar with the name there, as I have said. I think you are already familiar with the Mary Kay. I heard about this product, or I tried some of these products back home in the Philippines, because they also distribute it there. So let's see if there's a, oh wow, what's the difference? See that? Oh, a box full of, wait, let's put it down here. Look at that, guys. Oh, Margaret, you're so generous for sending me all of this. Okay, it's a list of all the products. So they're like 11 items in the box. So we'll check on that one by one. The first item is cleansing gel. They're quite big, huh? It's this one is 127 grams. White cleansing gel. So the next one is moisturizing gel. It's 85 grams. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I hope so. I think they're all skincare and they goes together. This is a facial scrub. They're quite big in size and the colors are cute. The boxes are cute. There's another one here. What is this? Or deep cleansing charcoal mask. It's a charcoal mask. I think I'm using a different brand of mask before, so I'll give this a try. So I love doing mask or using mask. And this one is toner. So I think they goes in set or skincare routine. And there's a shea sugar scrub and the other one shea butter balm. And they are for the lips. I hope you can see it clearly. The boxes are so colorful. I love the color, the combination, and they smell so good. This one is okay, oil-free eye makeup remover for all those mascaras, eyeliners, and eyeshadow. This one is, let's give this a try because I'm just using makeup remover wipes. And so let's try. Oh, there you go. Mascara. This is one of my mascara is one of my favorite makeup. So because I don't have that long lashes. And oh, there's more. Satin hands pampering set. Oh, there you go. Okay. Because my hands are kind of rough now because of all that alcohol and sanitizer. And there's a cute little bag. Oh, with a pink heart shape. Let's try to open them. First, the cleansing gel. Oh, nice. So pink. Let's. Okay. Smells good. Give it like a little try. Of course, I can try them now. Because, I just want to smell. Oh, it smells nice. This is a cleansing gel. Okay. And here is. Oh, sorry. This one is the scrub. I just want to show you the bottles. Oh, they're so cute. They're in set. This one is the moisturizer. Isn't they cute? And then toner. Ow. This is, I don't want to ruin the box. Oh, okay. It's 147 ml. This one. Okay. Smells good too. And this, oh, let's go to this first. Charcoal mask. Oh, okay. Let's all try this. I'm excited to try them actually. And this one is makeup remover. Oops. I love the color. It's like Victoria's Secret. And this is the ups. I'm being careful with the packs because I don't want to ruin. Okay. Ooh. Slick mascara. Let's see what kind of brush is in there. I'm gonna show you guys slowly. Okay. Here. Oh, where's the guy? I don't know if you. Okay. These are for the lips. This is the scrub. Oh, okay. It's like a gel too. Smells good. I thought it's like a lip balm. Okay, this is the one. Oh, it's in tube too. These are for the lips. I thought they're gonna be like in the usual lipstick or lip balm, the stick, but they're not. This is surprising. Oh, this one, I'm so excited with this one instead. This is the satin hands pampering set. Oh, the bag is cute too. There you go. But softener, protecting softener. The smell, I don't like it that much. It's not bad. It's not that bad, but it smells like green tea. This one is scrub. Okay. The smell is not that bad at all, but I love this more. I mean, here, the skincare sorry, I don't think you can see it, but there. Okay. And cream, nourishing cream. So this goes with the set, I think. Yeah. Oh, my husband will like it. He complains about his hand. Let me just fix my camera. Okay. There's this bag here. Look, it's so cute, right? You can put all your skincare here, makeup and all that, and it has a hook. It's a traveler's bag. I love the color and the design. Look, I'll show you closer. See that? So cute, right? Thank you very much, Margaret, for sending me all of these products. I'm gonna start trying them and I'll get in touch with you for my product review. And if you guys are interested about these products, just comment down below if you want me to make another video after a week or two after trying these products, and I will let you know what's their effect on me and what's their benefits and all that. And as I have said from my first video, one of the purpose of my YouTube channel is to support and help promote small businesses. It may be here in Canada or back home in the Philippines. First on the list is Saguli clothing. It's a lifestyle brand locally made sa Angeles City, Pampanga. So guys, if you're looking for a statement tee, check out their Facebook page, and they also have an IG. Lalagay ko sa description box yung link para sa kanilang mga social media so that you can get in touch with them and you can see yung mga designs nila, different designs. They're locally made in Angeles City by local designers. So I think they're giving a free delivery around Angeles City, and they ship around Pampanga or even nationwide, I think. And if you want to know more about the products and if you have any inquiries, you can check on their Facebook page, which is Saguli, and their Instagram is Saguli Clothing, and you can get in touch with Delo. So hi Delo. And also please check online Love Crafty Soul. They have handmade products. They have crochet and macrame products. You can check on their Instagram, and also they have a Facebook page, Love Crafty Soul, and it's by Peng Malyari. I will put the link of these online shops on the description box so that you can check on them, and please let us support one another, especially during this time of pandemic. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will really appreciate if you're gonna subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. See you on my next video. I love you all. Thank you. God bless and keep safe. Bye-bye.